How to use social media marketing to gain followers. It kind of goes without saying that you'll need followers in order for your business to succeed. Obviously. You could have the best content in the world, but if your marketing strategy is bad, then you'll not have the audience in order to maximize the returns from your business. In this presentation, you'll learn some quick tips for using social media marketing to gain followers. To begin, you'll need to understand your target audience and their media usage. Develop a detailed demographic outline of your ideal followers. Things that you will need to consider include their age, location, income, gender, education, interests, beliefs, and values. Standard elements of marketing. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you're on the same social media platforms as your audience. Otherwise, your followers will not grow. You should place your business in the places where the majority of your audiences exists. You can and should cross-post, but you need to target your campaign specifically to your audience on the platform. Check your competition. Understand how they connect with your dream audience and find ways to insert yourself into this arena. See also the kind of campaigns, promotions, and collaborations that they run and how or why they are effective. Good social media marketing requires a lot of introspection and a lot of analysis. This gets easier with time, but it is imperative to success. A good quantitative test of the quality of your content and the correlation that has with your follower growth is to run a specific campaign. Run your analytics before beginning and decide on some goal numbers. Do a campaign. Try something different. Put a lot of effort into it. Run your analytics afterward and see if you met your goals. New followers, interactions, click-throughs, comments, shares. Did you meet your goals? You should be using appropriate hashtags and location tags that do not spam them. Do research into the most effective hashtags. Check that growth and interaction over time. You may need to update them. You'll need to use popular but not flooded hashtags. Find the medium where your audience will find you. One of the biggest tips would be that you need to interact with your followers. They need to feel like they are a part of your brand and your business, and that you're not simply using them for business purposes. The secret to social media marketing is to appear like the brand is a real person, which of course you are, but it needs to feel like you have an authentic connection with your followers and that you genuinely care for them. It is also essential that you remember that there is a difference between having a lot of followers and having followers who are engaged with your content. There is no use having an abundance of followers if that does not translate into sales. You should aim to have engaged followers who interact with your content and purchase your product. These are high-quality followers. In conclusion, the quality of followers is more important than the quantity. Aim for engaged and appropriate followers. This is how your business will grow.